can't see myself in the screen because of the window behind. Hello, this is a little tip that I will tell you about, and it may save you a little bit of money. Hang on a minute, I'll sit down. Right, anyone with pets will know that it's a bit of a nightmare to get rid of the hairs all over the house, the cat hairs, the dog hairs. Now, I have a cat that sleeps here on the bed with me, and now the bed cover needs washing. Last night, the cat was actually sick on the bed. I was asleep, so I didn't notice. But anyway, it does need a good wash now. So what I do before I put anything in the washing machine, I try and remove all the cat hairs as much as I can before it goes into the machine, because if you think about it, if you're going to put cat hairs in the machine, it's going to be clogging up the filters. So, and you don't really want to be doing that with your washing machine. So I'll just show you what I've got. The cat hairs, I've scraped them up this morning with a brush, an old brush, and I just use this for sweeping cat hairs. Now, if I run this over the cover, right, like that, scrape, can you see me, mother? Scraping the cat hairs off. I've already done this cover, so it's ready for the machine now. But yes, the cat hairs will stick to the brush, so I can remove most of the cat hairs before the cover goes into the machine. Anyway, I've got this pet bed here. I use quite a lot of these pet beds, actually. They're quite good. But that also needs washing. So what I shall do is just give it a scrape with the brush first, and then that can go in the machine as well. So I'll go up and down like this. Very easy. Go over it with the brush first. To remove the cat hairs before this goes in the machine. There you are. Now, can you see the cat hairs on that brush? Look at me looking over my glasses. That will then remove most of the cat hairs from anything that you want to put in the washing machine. You can go up and down, or round and around. I think I'll turn it over and do the other side. That's not too bad. There you go. Try and remove the hairs from anything that you're going to put in the washing machine, because you don't want to clog the filters up. It could save you money on maintenance, maintaining your machine. Okay, are you going to do that? You can actually use this method as well on the actual carpet on the floor if you want to. I'll just go and do a patch over here, won't be a minute. There you are. off the floor. Now I do have a new Shark vacuum cleaner, which is really good, but just to get a few hairs up, get an old washing brush, pot washing brush, and use this. Anyway, that's my little tip for today. Don't put all your cat and dog hairs in the washing machine. Try and remove them first. Thanks for watching. Toodle-pip.